What's up, Brew Crew? Hey, welcome back to my Brew City Garden. Real quick, I just want to give a shout out and lift up some prayers and our thoughts for Jim over at the Simply Garden channel. It's my understanding his daughter Jen put out a video a day or two ago letting us know that Jim was in a car accident a few days ago. She didn't go into specifics on injuries or anything like that, but she made it sound like Jim's gonna be off the channel for probably some time. So I just wanted to say from us here at the Brew Crew, here at the Brew City Garden, we really send up our hopes and our prayers for Jim and his family, and we really hope for a speedy recovery. I know a lot of you guys are subscribed to Jim's channel, but if you're not, I will leave the link below. Head on over there and subscribe to his channel, and go ahead and give him some well wishes, and just to let him know that the whole community is behind him. We'll be here when you get back, Jim. We can't wait to see you again. Get yourself healed up, and may God's grace be on you. All right, guys, we'll see you.